Okay, so now we are going to use reshape from the module numpy, and I just want to thank Pypros for this because I took inspiration by his video. It's a very nice vlogger that makes tutorial about Python. So we are going to import numpy snp as useful because this is what everyone does. They call np this module, so that is a convention. Now we are going to use, okay, let's create a list, or better an array, and it will be created by this function arrange 12, and let's print it, and let's see that we get this 12 number here. We get 12 numbers starting from 0 and ending with 11 because 12 is not included. You can put a number two numbers here, and you will start from 2 and go until 11. You can put another number here like 3, and you have all numbers every 3 steps. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, and then there are no more numbers. And another cool things that you can do, as we said, is to reshape our list of numbers, and we can go and make 2 rows and 6 columns, and sorry, but we must go again back to the original 12 number in one row that I will show you again. Okay, this is the original number. Now if you apply the reshape to 2 rows and 6 columns, we will obtain this. Let's delete this. Okay, 2 rows and 6 columns. We can also do something like 3 rows and 4, reshape in this way. And if we don't want to calculate this, you can put a -1 here, and we'll have the same. Let's see what happens if you put a 6 here. We get 6 rows and 2 columns, and this will be automatically calculated by Python, putting a -1 here. Let's see what happens if I put 5 here. It gives me an error because 12, you cannot divide it by 5, and so it will give an error. Cannot reshape, value error here. Cannot reshape array of size 12. So let's use try in this case, and let's go accept value error, and let's say print you cannot divide by these rows. Try something different. And here you see you cannot divide this row. Try something different, and then gives you a name error because he has tried this, but he can't do this. So when he finds this print, he won't won't take an error. So let's put it here. And you see you cannot divide it by these rows. Try something different. So if we try 12, for example, you have just one column and 12 rows and one column. And because we have 12 numbers, remember that we have 12 numbers because we have 11 number plus the 0, because array starts always from 0 and do not include the last number that you put here. And so I think this function can be very useful for reshaping your data, and it's very easy to use. Thank you.